Where that red one? That's my favorite thong. Put 'em on. I said, baby, put 'em on. I said, what you gonna do when you go home? Kiss your man, I know you suck on my phone. She call my phone.
You see the bevs. You see the bevs. They got the bevs. The wing flavors. Pull up. Like in this spot already. You order your food, you pay for your food, they give you one of these joints right here, and when it flashes or buzzes, you go up there and get your food. Clever. I like it. Y'all see it, we got the goodie. We about to go see what it's hitting for. Yo, real talk. I just picked up the food. Everything is smelling amazing. I'm about to take this junk to the crib and do it at the crib before wifey go to work. I'm kind of pushing for time, but I want to get this in. So I'm going to take it to the house, and I'm going to do it at the house, goddamn. Steak tacos, macaroni and cheese. Let's see what it's hitting for. My bad, boo-boo. Ooh. Macaroni. Let's see what it's hitting for. Ooh, that thing a little cheesy. That thing a little cheesy. You see the cheese ball? I'm sorry, boo-boo. Ooh. Oh, my God. Chicken bacon ranch french fries. Oh, my bad. Chicken bacon ranch loaded fries. Let's see what it's hitting for. Sorry, boo-boo. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Jerk chicken sandwich, add bacon. Let's see what it's hitting for. You could taste the jerk. We see what it's hitting for. Fries. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Bobcats. Route 44, Lakeville, Massachusetts. The macaroni and cheese can use a little bit more cheese. Everything is packed with flavor. Packed with flavor. 8.5. Go check them out. Pop up. Go see what they hitting for.